Hello guys, how to change the grinder brush. I loosened it up but I couldn't able to remove it, so I'm just trying to I grab here with the plier. Where is it? With the plier and my impact gun. So I tried it but it's not budging, so let's try again. Okay, so I cannot do it with one hand, so let's try that. So first rule is its tightening is losing, so it's opposite direction. The screw is supposed to go opposite direction. Okay, so you're not supposed to go open side. You have to, your impact gun supposed to be tightening side, which will lose this. Okay, so that's the first rule I found. And the second rule is have to stuck this and try with my, so it's very hard now, it's tight, it's not moving. Now I'm gonna try it. Okay, yeah, so I literally, let's just open with that, and I just did put some penetrating oil. Yeah, so it worked right away. So I couldn't find where how to do the table grinder, change the, I'm just changing this 5-inch one rather than this small one. So this is 5 or 6 inch I think. Anyways, you can find any, so I'm just changing with this one. And yeah, so that's how you can open up. And let me show you how to tight this. So after removing this, I found this broken. It was slipping earlier, so there is a broken piece of this red thing. I don't know, it's a plastic. I don't know why they just put the plastic up here. Anyways, and these are the two. It's supposed to go this side. Okay, so just make sure it's supposed to be this side. And there is another back there. There is another. As you see, this is the smaller one. Okay, so it goes this way. Make sure. And now I am putting the, this is my screw which came out. So let's put it back. Okay, so just put back this disc inside, and as I said, just putting back this. And now just change. I don't know how, because how I'm gonna grab this. I will do the impact gun, just only impact gun. It's hard enough, tighten enough once I do. So let's try that. And oh sorry, I'm doing the tightening side, so opposite direction. Closing is its tightening. So yeah, that was my bad. So before I was tightening and I was trying to open it and thinking why it's not opening, because tightening side is losing side. Okay, so just again it's opposite, so I just closing side, this is anti-clockwise, I'm tightening anti-clockwise. So I'm just gonna put, I don't think so I can put the wood. I just wanna grab here with my plier. That's what I will try. Without plier I will try first, without plier, then I will try like this way. Yeah, it's too big. So anyways, I'm gonna try without plier. So let's try. Okay, so when I was tightening, it's still loose. As you see, shaft is moving, but brush is just loose. So I found that when I was doing impact, the other way is loose now. So other way is loose. Now I am gonna open this and hold the shaft other side, and then tight that one. Okay, let's wait for that. Okay, so I just open up the cover. It's right there, 4 screws, and after that, yeah, this side is tightening, that side is opposite screw. Okay, so this screw is opposite, this screw is other side. So that's very good. I'm gonna hold this way, so it's easily, I don't need any board or anything to grab while I am tightening. Just wait for that. Okay, so here is the problem. Another thing, I put the new extra washer here. As as you see, I put the extra. This is, I got it from this box, like, which is like on oil gasket. I put it on because screw was all the way in, but still it was spinning, so I add that gasket, so there is the gap which covers. Okay, so yeah, right now I cannot, as I said before, but it's not working like that. I have to stop it with the grab here somehow, rather than just so many times I just these wires in my finger. So have to be careful, very careful, wear your proper gloves. And this is 21 millimeter and these were 10 millimeter screws. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so here is the summary. I tighten and it works, and I grab it here, so there is a little bit messed up because I grab it with plier here. I grab it like that, okay, and hold it, and then do the impact gun. And you have to remove cover both sides. This 21 millimeter, you have to tight both sides after that. Yeah, that's how you can replace it. Okay, thanks.